Today we are taking a closer look at Super Liver by Super Bonsai, a supplement designed to support liver health and overall detox. Super Liver is formulated with a mix of natural herbs and extracts that are well known in traditional wellness. Some of the key ingredients typically found in liver support blends include milk thistle, which is famous for protecting liver cells, turmeric for its anti-inflammatory benefits, and dandelion root, often used to help with digestion and detoxification. Together, these ingredients are meant to keep your liver functioning at its best. As for side effects, most of the ingredients are considered safe when taken as directed. However, herbs like milk thistle and turmeric may cause mild digestive issues in some people. And it's always smart to check with your doctor first, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on prescription medications. Super Liver is marketed to support liver detox and regeneration, reduce damage from toxins, alcohol, and processed foods, improve digestion and energy levels, promote overall wellness and recovery.